you want to improve your English fluency and enhance your vocabulary, then like and subscribe to our channel. We will help you improve your English fluency. Watch our video daily, 5 times a week. When the same words reach your ears repeatedly, English will automatically come out of your mouth. Listen to the video carefully and practice speaking by turning off the audio. Consistency is the key to fluency. Watch our videos regularly and see your English improve naturally. With daily practice, the words will become familiar and speaking will feel effortless. Don't just learn, immerse yourself. Stay committed, keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English with confidence. Start today. Let's start the video. Sam wakes up early in the morning and stretches his arms. He gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom to brush his teeth and wash his face. After that, he takes a shower and gets dressed for the day. He walks to the kitchen, where his mother has prepared breakfast. He sits at the table and eats toast with butter and a cup of tea. After breakfast, Sam picks up his bag and leaves for school. He waits for the bus at the bus stop. When the bus arrives, he gets in and greets his friends. In school, he listens to his teachers, writes notes, and answers questions. During lunch break, he eats his lunch and plays with his friends. After school, Sam returns home and takes some rest. He drinks a glass of juice and then starts doing his homework. Later, he helps his mother in the kitchen and sets the table for dinner. After dinner, he watches TV for some time and then reads a book before going to bed. If you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoying the video? Hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support keeps us motivated. Stay connected.
1. When does Sam wake up? Sam wakes up early in the morning. 2. What does he do after waking up? He stretches his arms, gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom. 3. What does Sam eat for breakfast? He eats toast with butter and drinks a cup of tea. 4. How does Sam go to school? He waits for the bus at the bus stop and then takes the bus to school. 5. What does Sam do at school? He listens to his teachers, writes notes, and answers questions. 6. What does he do during lunch break? He eats his lunch and plays with his friends. 7. What does Sam do after coming home? He takes some rest, drinks juice, and then does his homework. 8. How does he help his mother? He helps his mother in the kitchen and sets the table for dinner. 9. What does he do before sleeping? He prays, switches off the lights, and reads a book. 10. What is the last thing Sam does in the story? He falls asleep, ready for a new day.
Here are some key vocabulary words from the sentences along with their meanings. Wake up, to stop sleeping and become conscious. Stretch, to extend the body or limbs after waking up. Toast, slices of bread that are browned by heat. Butter, a dairy product used as a spread or ingredient in cooking. Lunch break, a period during the day when people stop to eat lunch. Rest, a short period of relaxation. Set the table, to arrange plates, cutlery, and glasses for a meal. Pray, to speak to a deity or express gratitude before sleeping. Switch off, to turn off a light or electrical device. Read, to look at and understand written words. Fall asleep, to begin sleeping.